Hi everybody, I'm Amy and welcome to Cousin DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute leprechaun wand just in time for St. Patrick's Day. To start, you're going to need to go on Cousin DIY and download the template for our shamrock. Cut out your shamrock and place it on a piece of self-adhesive foam. You want to make sure that you have enough space on both sides to trace out both of your shamrocks. We're going to take our marker and we're going to press down and trace our shamrock. Once you've traced one side, flip the template over and trace the other side. Take out your scissors and cut along your outlines of your shamrocks. Once you're done cutting out your shamrocks, place them off to the side and get a few strips of foam. We're going to be cutting about 5/8 inch strips out of this foam to make our tassels. Cut 2 tassels from each piece of foam. And then we're going to need 2 extra tassels out of whatever color is your favorite. Today I used green, purple, red, blue, and yellow. Grab a wooden dowel and place it on your table. You're going to take the adhesive backing off of one of the shamrocks and place its sticky side up on the table. Take your dowel, put it in the center of your shamrock. Next, we're going to take our foam strips and we're going to place them on the bottom of our shamrock. We are next going to take the backing off of our second shamrock and sandwich the two together. That'll trap the streamers into the shamrock. Place another streamer of your choosing underneath the stem to make sure nothing sticky is sticking out. Flip it over and do it on the other side as well. If you have any extra pieces that are sticking out, it's okay. You can just trim around them. Now it's time to decorate. We're going to use gold sequins. Take your glue pen, make a little dot of glue, and then use tweezers or a daughter to secure your sequins to your shamrock. Now you want to flip it over and do it the same thing on the other side. When you're done, allow your wand time to dry and you are finished. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye.